Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. We have Kickin up a notch green beans. We're going through the whole recipe. We have a bag here of frozen green beans. There's nothing wrong with some frozen green beans, everybody. We use frozen broccoli, frozen green beans, frozen Brussels sprouts, whatever it may be. Let's get the children with some flavors. This is one way to get your children how to eat these green beans, everybody.
You know what, Grandmother, this is one of the ways I'm so happy that I had our children eat it.
Yeah. So anyway, you add some garlic in there. But yeah, this is the way how to get kids eating their vegetables, everybody. It's very important. And this will be vegan friendly as well. Now, this is some Italian herb. Italian herb seasoning from Better Than Bouillon is what we use, everybody. This makes your green beans pop with flavor.
Yep, got that right. It tastes so good.
And the kids loved it. I mean, they don't like just regular salt and pepper vegetables, everybody. You gotta add flavors all up in this, but we love Better Than Bouillon. This is it right here.
It sure is.
Oh yeah, and I forgot to say that we are sauteing this in some vegetable oil, everybody. Okay, you can choose your oil that you want, but we're just trying to keep it nice and healthy, so we're using vegetable oil. And so we're gonna go ahead and mix these green beans up with all the nice flavors throughout here. Now it's gonna start burning, so you're gonna turn your fire down because you know the garlic starts. You don't want it being burnt, everybody. So we want it to be flavored all throughout the green beans, just like this. Keep stirring. Yeah, so we're just trying to make sure we share the love with everybody who's vegetarian, vegan, or what it may be. You know, we're just trying to bring more flavors to you guys. So follow us on YouTube if you like what you see. And happy holidays. We'll see you guys soon. Bye.